In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a form in Monday.com to collect responses. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want the responses to be collected. This is important because every form submission will automatically appear in this board as a new item. Before you build the form itself, take a moment to think about what information you want people to submit. The structure of your board will determine what the form can ask. So it's a good idea to make sure the board is set up clearly and logically from the beginning. Next, add the columns you want to use as form questions. For example, if you want people to enter their name, choose a text column. If you need a date, status, or drop-down response, add the matching column type. Each column becomes a potential field in your form. So this step is really the foundation of the whole setup. Try to keep the form focused on only the information you actually need, since shorter forms are usually easier for respondents to complete. Once your columns are ready, click Add View on the board. This is where you can create different ways to interact with the same board data. From the available options, select Form. Monday.com will then generate a form view based on the columns you already created, which saves time and makes setup much easier. Now customize the form title, description, and fields. The title should make it immediately clear what the form is for, and the description is a great place to give a short explanation or any instructions respondents should know before filling it out. Then review the fields that appear in the form. You can adjust which ones are visible and make sure the wording is easy to understand. This is a good time to check the flow from the respondent's point of view so the form feels simple and professional. When everything looks good, copy the form link and share it with respondents. You can send the link wherever it makes the most sense, such as through email, chat, or another communication channel. Since the form is linked directly to your board, responses will be organized automatically as they come in. Finally, check the board to confirm that new form submissions appear as items. This final check helps you verify that the form is working exactly as expected. If submissions are showing up correctly, then your form is live and ready to use, and that's how to create and share a Monday.com form to collect responses efficiently.